Science Grade 6. Today, we will learn how energy transformation takes place such as sound, heat, light, and electricity. This lesson will teach you how energy transforms from one form to another. It will give you knowledge on the fact that energy can be changed and transferred into other forms in a process. At the end of this lesson, you will demonstrate how energy transformation happens in a specific situation. Learners, before proceeding further in our new lesson for today, let us have a look first on the meaning of energy. Energy, as defined, is the ability to do work. Therefore, energy and work are closely related. For example, when work is done on an object, the energy is transferred to that object. Now for our lesson, kindly read and study the information in your printed materials, page 1. Are you ready, learners? If so, very good. Now, while I read to you the information, please also read the information in your printed materials. I will now read the information. How can energy be transferred and transformed? Let us read these concepts first for your background information. Energy needs to transform or to change its form in order to be useful. This change is called energy transformation. Energy transformation or energy conversion is the change of energy from one form to another. For example, kindly look and study the illustration shown in your printed materials. The illustration shows an example of energy transformation. The chemical energy stored in the battery when inserted to the flashlight could generate electrical energy, which will then produce light energy. As it generates light for a longer time, it will become hotter, producing thermal or heat energy. Energy has many forms. It could be light energy, sound energy, heat energy, or electrical energy. But generally, they are classified as potential energy, an energy at rest, or kinetic energy, an energy in motion. Light energy is a kind of kinetic energy with the ability to make types of light visible to human eyes. Light is defined as a form of electromagnetic radiation emitted by hot objects like lasers, bulbs, and the sun. Sound energy occurs when an object vibrates. During vibration, the surrounding air molecules move and bump each other, producing sound waves. Heat energy is the transfer or flow due to the difference in temperature between the two objects. It is also called thermal energy. Electrical energy is energy derived as a result of movement of electrically charged particles. Now, let us learn how to illustrate energy transformation of heat, light, sound, and electrical energy. Let us read the situation below. Example Situation 1. You turned on the TV. As the electricity flows, the TV starts to produce light, then sound. As the hours passed, the TV will begin to get hot. Now, learners, kindly look and study the illustration shown in your printed materials. To illustrate, refer to the given situation and illustration. First, you identify the cited situation. So, the situation is turning on the TV. Next, relate the energy transformation. In relating how the energy transforms, focus on the words typed in bold letters in the information and the illustration given. These would give you the hint on the energy transformation that took place. The first emphasized words are electricity flows. When we are talking about electricity, this refers to electrical energy. The second emphasized word is light, which produces light energy. The third emphasized word is sound, which produces sound energy. The fourth emphasized word is hot. When a thing becomes hot, it produces heat energy. Next, illustrate the energy transformation. Learners, to illustrate, write the situation, then the energy transformation inside the boxes provided. So, the illustration will be turning on the TV. Electrical energy, light energy, sound energy, heat energy. Learners, kindly look and study the illustration shown in your printed materials. Example situation 2. You turned on the electric bulb. As the electricity flows, the bulb starts to produce light. As the hours passed, the bulb will begin to get hot. First, you identify the cited situation. So, the situation is turning on the electric bulb, just like what is shown in the picture. Next, relate the energy transformation. Learners, kindly look and study the illustration shown in your printed materials. Turning on the switch, it produces electrical energy. As the electricity flows, the bulb gives off light energy. As hours pass, the bulb will become hot and produces heat energy. Next, illustrate the energy transformation. Learners, kindly look and study the illustration shown in your printed materials. Turning on the electric bulb. Electrical energy, light energy, heat energy. Now learners, for your activity, kindly open your printed materials, pages 4, 5, and 6. Now learners, it is time for you to do your activity.